So, Mr. Vogel, what are we doing today?
Well, good morning. So today we're working on one of the mobility scooters because last time it wasn't running so great. So I've ported ahead and fixed some other things and all, among the exhaust. So the head again has been ported, so as you can see it's really free flowing right now. But it was like very restrictive and sharp edges. So that should give us a lot more flow, because I have a very big carburetor on this thing. Probably too big, but like this could fix it. And as like a backup, also got some E85. So we'll start with that and assemble everything, and then we'll redo the exhaust after. So we got the head back assembled. So we got the rockers well, and the valves are back in. And so here you see these two holes. That's for the push rods that like pushes on the valves. This with the two holes goes back in here, and here's like are the push rods that goes back in the crankcase. Just get it back in, bolt in, and we can at least try with the regular gasoline to begin with, and then we can try E85 later. And to the help with that, we also got this AEM AFR gauge, which I borrowed from a friend. So we'll be able to tell pretty accurately. I forgot the guide pins.
The infamous spark plugs.
Yeah, this is the original that came with the engine, torch. Like pretty much a no-name spark plug. So it worked, probably, because it worked previously, but I don't know how well it works. So probably we'll change this out as well at some point. But now I'm just gonna assemble and try it out. We're ready for a start, I think.
Oh yeah.
Of course, we still have don't have the exhaust made yet, but you can try start it, and then we'll make the exhaust after that, I guess. Wow! The carburetor has even been like flooding and stuff. I was not expecting to work that quickly.
Don't get used to it.
This machine has been new with me, so like that's also why it's like sort of feels better to work with this and like do the fun stuff like porting.
Yeah.
Because it has been working before I got it. Because all the other things I had like the FZR didn't work when I got it. So it's not like unknowing of all the problems that things can have. So let's make a header.
Yeah. What you doing, step drill? That motion looks familiar for you.
Yeah. We still do have some snow, thankfully. It's hot. It is very hot. So, just getting most of the heat out of it. So now I just need to make sure the flange is really nice and flat, and we're gonna install it all and try it out.
White.
It is. It is good. It's not coming up. Okay. So in with the aerator and just plug it in. This looks better. Still cold though. It might have improved a little bit, actually, not just opening it up, but this still needs tuning. Either gasoline or E85, but I guess I'm not really ready to go driving with this package on here, especially because it's also not mine. If it was mine, I'll make a nice box and
stupid door.
Yeah. So I could actually really drive around with it. Might still have to. Well, I don't know. So, assuming this is like the air mixture screw on the air filter side, so I think it was about 2 turns. So it's now fully in. Now that's half turn and that's 1 turn. So I'm gonna try that. Definitely a little better because I have never been able to do that properly. Whoa. Yikes.
You were like a ballerina.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try this. Whoops. That works. Right away. I mean, it's not completely empty, but couldn't expect that. Yeah. See what this carburetor likes about this. It's not a lot in it, but
okay. Yeah. How does it feel?
Down at low, it's sort of the same, but like in the mid-range, as you saw, where like it pulls.
Yeah.
And I don't want to drive any faster, so also I should wear a helmet. As no helmet, no respect, as Johan says. But anyway, now it runs about as before, so we'll get back to it next time. We're gonna continue with E85, and like this is where a turbocharger would be perfect. So comment your opinion, should we turbocharge this, and just give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And then I hope you're having a really good day.